Hi, I'm Maddie here at Crosby Volkswagen in Kitchener. Today we're going to be talking about using CarNet to remotely start your vehicle. If your vehicle is equipped with remote start, one of the most convenient features of the CarNet mobile app is the ability to start your vehicle remotely, with your climate controls adjusted to a preset temperature. Before using a remote start for the first time, a compatible phone must be paired with the vehicle. From the account management screen, go to Manage Paired Devices, accept the pairing request. Now enter the phone number and device name and then select Submit. If this is the first time the device is being paired, accept the device in the vehicle's touchscreen display. You will receive a confirmation screen that the phone has been paired. Remote start is now enabled. To start the vehicle remotely, ensure that the vehicle is not in an enclosed area. Then from the Remote Start tab in the vehicle screen, press Start. Enter your 4-digit PIN and then select OK. Remote Start will be activated and the vehicle will be turned on. The engine will remain on for a maximum of 10 minutes prior to vehicle entry. If the vehicle is not entered within that time, the engine will shut off and the doors will remain locked. You can use Remote Start 2 times before having to turn the vehicle on manually. As a safety feature, the vehicle cannot be driven when started remotely. The ignition must be turned off and then back on again using the ignition lock or start button before driving. For complete details on available features, give us a call or visit us at crosbyvw.com.
Volkswagen.